Hey everyone, I finally got my hands on an ATEM Mini. It took a while, but I finally have one. It came a few days ago. I've had a few days to play with it and kind of get a feel for what it's all about, what it's like to use it. And I do plan to do a full walkthrough slash review and also a video on some tips and tricks, things you can do with this. Might not necessarily first come to mind, and those will be coming out before too long. But before I do my reviews, I wanted to hear from you, the viewers of my channel. What do you want to know about the ATEM Mini? If you're on the fence, what is it that might push you over and decide to get it? Or what's really holding you back? So please let me know what you'd like for me to include in an upcoming video about the ATEM Mini. So you can either leave those comments here on this video, or you can go to my website and go directly to the contact page, so djp.li/contact, and leave me a comment there. I plan to leave this open for about a week, thereabouts, so I'll probably stop accepting new comments around January 27th, 28th, somewhere in there. So get your comments in. Let me know what you want to know about the ATEM Mini, and I look forward to hearing from you. And I'll have a video for you shortly.